Hi, Jamy Carreno here at The Attic, and I'm going to walk you through how to make one of our most popular drinks here, which is the Orange Blackberry Crush. You will need 2 ounces of your favorite vodka, blood orange cider, blackberries or blackberry puree, 2 ounces of lemonade, optional, 1 fresh lemon, and 1 reusable straw. You're going to start with your blackberry puree. If you don't have any, you can take 4 to 5 large blackberries, put them into your mixing glass, and muddle those. A 4 count of your favorite vodka, some fresh squeezed lemonade with fresh squeezed lemon. This fresh fruit really makes the difference. And then we'll go ahead and add a little bit of our lemonade here, which is going to be about a 2 count or about 2 ounces. And then you're going to put that into your shaker tin, which you'll add some ice cubes into first. Pour your mixture into your shaker tin, pop that down, and shake it. Here's the important part. The blackberries are delicious, but they do have all those little seeds in it. So you're going to take your strainer and strain that right into your glass. Top it off with your blood orange cider. Take your favorite reusable straw and garnish it with a beautiful lemon wedge. You can find this and many other popular cocktail recipes on our Facebook page, which is The Attic Prescott. Thanks, and we'll see you soon.